Selling? I just stay there yet.
Honestly, I think I reach there now. Remember say you sketch Major's face and make we know who are pray with.
I did. Not even remember about him.
Oh, you don't remember that? Remember say your first major assignment that when you go full out prostitute, you remember?
Please don't remind me about that.
Alright. But boss here say she request say we go straight into the sketch team.
Yeah, and that's why she give me the necessary things them.
That even better, because you can use another skill in the agency. So this now, just make you not feel out in the field all the time.
What the way you want me to leave the field?
You hear me say that?
I not say that, but I'm not ready to leave the field work yet.
I know, but you soon have to pray.
Why?
Well, as soon as a woman...
Hold on there. I say good for that one, yeah. Because this sound like it could be interesting. Matter of fact, I want soft drink. You want soft drink?
So, what the excitement for? Me drink a jug.
Because me want to know the difference between man and woman in that field.
Ah.
Talk now, Mr. Chauvinist.
Yeah. You learn big word.
Yeah, you know, long more I use it. I use it in the right context.
Yeah. You use it in the right context. But I'm not prejudiced towards woman.
It sounds to me like you say, man have a longer lifespan in the field than woman. Are that what I say?
Not really. I just feel like say woman I get tired of that lifestyle that before man.
Because we woman more emotional, right?
Me not say that. Come, me know why you come rush me.
Oh, you know should have said, can love talk about woman emotional and when they on them period and them something.
You know, say, since you start diving at the reading thing, your reasoning get turn up buck.
Thanks. Bubble said I can't stay upon one level. I have to feed my brain.
And that you used to tell me to, So say, always find time to read. So
you can form
your own opinion. That is it.
You know, say, the agency do whole heap to win a short space of time.
Really, Dear, you ever feel like more while it too much?
Sometimes, especially when I think about me and Kareem.
So what I talk about?
It start feel wrong to keep that part alive.
More about that, I see me feel more while with Patsy.
You know, worries that she might find out because of the gift for she have.
You think about that, yes?
What would I do if she find out?
I think should have overs, I know she got upset at first, but she will get over it. And she will understand eventually. But how you think Karim would have deal with it?
Kinda the same.
You know, so one day we have to go say it to them though.
Maybe we should do it together.
Do what together?
You know, carry them out and break the news softly to them while we have fun.
And you know, say, anytime the news drop, the phone done, right?
All that too.